Ragashanti live. Oh, time! Ready.
I need soap and blender time. I'm want to call and talk of the King there.
That's the reason I'm done with him, because I see the boy have me to get a beard with the same Raga.
Hold on, the boy have you and the girl a beard with the same red rock?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red Raga. Then people that look at me and say you're Haganiering because the way we are.
Yo, that word they're mad. Haganiering. Haganiering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, I the Mixup daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
I need soap and blender time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I need soap and blender time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I need soap and blender time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I need soap and blender time.
Check. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Check. Yo, good night, people, good night, people. If your belly full, give thanks and praises. If hungry a clot up your nastiness, right, you know, a white skull, just a crab under you and all these things. Me no know, call a neighbor know or something, call your ex or something like that or whatever. Me no know, me calling. Call your ex and tell your ex say you're hungry, right? And see where your ex are. But when you don't know, you know, ladies, and you call your ex and tell you say you're hungry, you know where you want you to put on a hungry belly first. Or if him feed you, you know what you want to run after that. I just saw some of the ex-man them stay. Some of them you can't even call them back for something done. As soon as you give them a little sound about something and whatever, this and that, them want run in. Them dirty ex-man, they don't take ladies. Me say, me know a man. Me know Raga know them here. Raga know them. I saw the dirty ex-man them stay. As soon as you call them about something, them want something. Yeah? As soon as you call them about, I want to tell Micah, tomorrow Micah tighten up. As soon as you call them about something, the dirty ex them want something. That's why some of no man don't everybody call on ex them about anything because you don't know when I'm going to look right away. Right away I'm going to want you run that something there. You see, I saw the thing said, dirty man them, but in some instances it understandably worse if I owner did boss him made one and left him down and think him have a right. If I owner did boss him made, if I owner do something wicked, if I owner did left him, if I owner did clown him out, if I you did left him and go take up one next man and thing and know you call it, you rally back on him for something, you rally back on him for something, him have a right for ask to say, yeah, you have to run that first. Yeah, you have to understand if you did bust him head and deal with him wicked and all these things, then you must understand and you must say, yo, me do that for you, but how it go? How it go? How it go? Big up on yourself. Wait, our president tell me, say, when you say somebody a call already, I mean, let me hear who a call. Who this a call so early in the night? Hello? Hello?
Reggae. Hello?
Mr. Coombs, where are Mr. Coombs?
Where you going with him? Where you going with him? Yeah, man. You been up behind early at night time, man.
Eh?
You been up behind early at night time. What going on?
Yeah, man, I'm there, Mr. Coombs. What you say, Papa? Talk to me.
Where you say boy you cook man now and where you say me tell you say? How long now?
Oh, me not hear what you say. What you say, Mr. Coombs? How that go?
You say me the call you some years ago and you said why you tell you about cucumber, what?
Yes, man. Oh, yes. You call me back about that something there. Yeah, me I listen. Me put it up in me put it up on YouTube, so if you can get somebody to make you listen it on YouTube. But to me I post the whole show them from long time. I post them from my YouTube channel, Ragashanti TV. Ragashanti TV. So remember say me just really know you, you know. So I listen, I post up one of them, come here to edit them and take out the ads, them and take out one of sound good and all them something there. And
are you find out my one?
Lo and behold, are you me here calling and you tell we say yes, you're Indian too and you make we know and sitting and you tell we say the cucumber thing work when woman want when woman want man nature fi go down so that them no go out there go whatever, you cool him down, you put him name, you explain to us, say you write him name on parchment paper, cut the cucumber in two, put the parchment paper between, the two slices of cucumber and tie it up back and put it in the fridge and cool him down.
Cool him down.
Me
have my experience woman no bugger.
Wait a man, Mr. Coombs, everything goes for real though.
Me have my experience, ladies, women. Them whole time, them woman, they try them thing and talk, you know. They make it a secret and talk to the one that me here.
And you hear, okay, so that the woman them do for cool. But me say woman do it to them owner, man, because me say it not kill the something. Well, somebody say call and say kill it. But me say it just kind of cool on in nature and things. So you say...
Yeah, and every people go and bad, they can want to fight and quarrel and beat you.
Yeah.
It kind of cool him down.
Okay, so when you want balance out somebody and thing, you just lose that. Okay. Me see what you say, Mr. Cook.
Then people say work.
Say work. Then boy, well on there now. Me don't know if you did yet. Remember when Atta Spicy call and I talk about the pinning and things, say the pinning, that work too?
When people say work, it work. Some of them know when it's something can't live, you live on the bed for the woman, say, but me naked, me not have no clothes. That them be holding the man down, who say they on the bed, on the seat, or on the pillar somewhere.
Yeah, the pin for hold him down.
So me say work, people talk. Me never try, me never happen to me, but people talk, say work.
Then Mr. Combs, you know things say we reach a point in our life, you know, where we can look upon them something there and say, Chuck, nothing go some man, that's a foolishness, man. You know feel so?
Well, socially beginning, socially end, no.
What you say, what?
Socially beginning, socially end.
So it was in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. Seal.
Right, yes, whole time something come back again.
Whole time something come back again.
Right,
go around the bed, me say, go tell your friend. And when you check it out, lad, no way no better than ya. All right, Mr. Coombs, I hear your papa. So what go on in the night, yeah?
Well, me give God thanks and praise. Me give God thanks and praise. Me go on, you know?
Yes.
What video?
Yeah. What going up on the Ugly Park Road up on your end? Omara Road and all them places. What going around them parks?
Well, you can't quiet. Based on what me here on radio, me can't walk again now, but based on what me here, you quiet.
Okay. All right, Mr.
Cook.
Yeah, man, quiet is good. Nothing wrong with quiet.
I told him, I mean, you know, murder go on and a gunshot nearby we have. A white circle, far there. Not in my Waterhouse now going, you know, Waterhouse School.
Waterhouse School, okay. Well, Waterhouse, you know, Waterhouse, they're too far from where you there. So Waterhouse come, you know.
Me have a friend around there.
All right. What going to Augustown? What you hear about Augustown?
They went to kill one Dan man in Dark Pa.
Yeah, well, dog pa, yeah.
Police shoot him when they shoot out.
Well, but that's a Ellis flats that.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Coombs, you think that was shootout? Don't answer trouble. Me a trouble you. Don't answer that question. They leave it alone.
No, I can't say no. Based on what this star said, there's a shootout.
All right, Mr.
Anyway, me say something. You see, you used to take Uncle Sonny boat. Why you used to go?
Send Mary, man. Mile, we used to go share. Jessica. But Uncle Sonny boss, we take it from Kingston and they go up and he make that little right off a Spanish town there after you pass Bagwalk and then they go through Geisel and go run through Gale and come run and go through Shesha and Jessica. Yeah. Uncle Sonny boss used to carry go out my mama country. Yeah.
So, what my country? Jessica?
No, you have to walk about 2 miles up from Jessica or 2 miles up from Shesha. Shesha, they stop before Jessica. And you walk you can walk either way. But a mile gully, man, up in our hills there. Mile gully, St. Mary. Not mile gully, Manchester, obviously, but mile gully, St. Mary.
Me have idea.
Yeah, man. If you know a girl, and you go like you go right, right and cross one little bridge there, whatever. Over that side of Jessica. But more people more know Jessica than they know Shesha.
Yeah. Anyway, big up Dana.
What you mean, man? Dana from Pembroke and thing and whatever, this and that. She'll look out for you, don't you? You see how we live, though?
Yeah, man.
You see how we live? You see how we live in the Tambourine family, in the TamFam?
I say go, man. Big up Dana.
How you mean, man? We not big up Dana from Foundation, man. Big up Dana from Pembroke, call them for no. So the thing said. All right, Mr. Cook.
The time you called and tell you about your cucumber, John, you was in the station with you, know.
Exactly. It was that day.
But remember, if you're 84-year-old man, though.
Yeah, but you see, and that time I think you say you were. Wait, what month you born again, Mr. Coombs?
July 1937.
Jesus have mercy, Mr. Coombs, at July you born?
Yeah, man, you love you something, you know.
Hold on, Mr. Coombs, at July you born?
Yeah, man, the 21st of July 1937.
The 20th.
Food.
The 20th.
Lunch and dinner, go to work for something, you know.
You left all your lunch and your dinner if you go get little juju down.
Yeah, man.
Jesus God. What you said, July people, them love that something they do.
Man and woman, you told them.
Well, I know. So back in, Mr. Coombs. So wait, you are tell me, say, the way you love that look something there where the woman them have and thing back in the day, you will ignore your lunch or your dinner just to go get some dog, or just to go saka some dog.
Believe me, man, one day, see?
Yeah.
My mother said me go give cow water, my father one bull cow in one place.
Yeah.
And he said me go give him water and carry the bucket come for water for cook lunch.
Yeah.
And me go give cow water and you can't buy the bucket of water for cook lunch and she come and not circle one place when you know me use a circle.
Oh, your mother circle a place where she know you will go down.
Right.
Okay.
And me go put the bucket near. And you know, the boy about 10 or what you drink about, the boy about 3 buckets about, she's smart. She take a bucket and go full of water.
Yeah.
So when we go now about 2:30, 3 o'clock, your belly full. We say full hour. We find me there, no river. So that time when we go now, you know, we never wear brief.
You never wear brief them time there?
No. So
well, Mr. Coombs, how old you was them time there?
About 14, 13.
Jesus have mercy, sir, from them time there you're lashing down.
So, something will catch Spanish houses.
Lord have mercy, something go catch, because you never have brief and things, so sitting go,
Hold on. So I go over now and take flash brown soap and jump in the water and bathe and wash off my shoulders and wet up myself. So me tell you, you see now everybody me there, me fall in the water and I have to wet up myself. And wet up myself.
Okay, so you make sure you wet up the rest of your clothes down.
Wet up myself, man. Me jump in the water and wet up myself and go up. Just take my clothes wash off, you know.
Okay, because you know want because you done mash that works there and thing and whatever and you know,
right.
Look at wet things in there on your clothes and your seat and
Right.
thing, but you know one time go see say, cause you know them time that all right, me I teach you know people in Jamaica now when you're a man and you don't wear underwear, the Jamaican term for that is what? Boy bat. Boy bat. So you did boy bat, Mr.
Right.
Well, the president pass a tambourine for me. Pass a tambourine for me. So you did boy bat. So you got lash of work. So you did boy bat, Mr. Coombs.
Right.
And then to your boy bat now, you know, in after you're done and thing, you know, little and it wet up your pants and things. So you'd have to camouflage that down.
So I get a piece of bone soap, same place I had.
Yes.
But I couldn't take a sea soap. I was a 1 or 2 of them. So I get a piece of bone soap and go over and bathe.
Yes.
And wash my clothes. Wet up with one of my clothes and my shirt too.
Lord have mercy, but Mr. Coombs, you were a little player, man. You were a little... Mr. Coombs, talk you got you.
That, man. You can't get your shop by.
Wait, you said, Mr. Coombs, what?
You can't get your shop by, so you can't pass it.
Tambourine! When you say, Mr. Coombs, you can't get juju a shop for buy. So when you get it, you have to just take it. When you get it, take it. Yeah, because then like you can't go shop and say, hear me right now. Yeah, you can't go there and say, here what me I say now, I want half pound of fat juju right there, so half pound of fat juju. That me I work with an idea. You know what? I don't know if the money can stretch, you know. I give me quarter pound of fat juju. So, Mr. Coombs, tell me something, you know. When you were a player back in the day, and you have your woman, but you out the road and go on with your little things and whatever and so forth, like, what kind of care did it do for kind of make your woman find out, say, you're out the road and go on? What some of the things that you do for hide it from her?
She not find out. She not find out, you know.
She never, well, Mr. Coombs, the woman never yet catch her yet. Never yet catch her yet. Never catch.
Never. She's suspect, but Mr. Come. All right, let me tell you. We married the 8th of November 1959.
Yes.
And we want 4 days. We want 4 days for 50 years.
Yeah.
She died 4 days before the 50th birthday.
Yeah.
And she not suspect me. Me have carried the last part. I want me to go out. I said, listen, I want me go to the bar and come back. You come down, come out and you want me to bathe and get ready. I soon get ready. Because long way I go, master, you can't come in the house here. But do you want to do that, but you can't come to the gate here.
Oh, what that she said to you?
Yeah.
So, Mr. Coombs, she ever do nothing for try catch you yet?
She never done, no.
Oh, okay.
One time, you see? The first one where we played the guitar, we sort of the beat.
What? What?
We sort of the beat the time.
The what? Wait. How that go?
The one where they sort of the beat the first time, me beat swallow.
The one where did...
Oh, the beat one.
Yes, the one that where did swallow the something and frighten you, yes.
All right,
yeah.
My sister,
well, and people, if you never listen to the show before, you're not going to know what I refer to. But basically, Mr. Coombs did in a situation where one woman did love him and bad and put one pan him, and after she put one pan him and thing and she did still in her mood and whatever, she did a try get him, she did a try broke up Mr. Coombs in a swiping thing, but Mr. Coombs is a man, no, do them something there and thing, and then she kind of go on like she a kiss him and thing and a kiss and then, you know, kind of kiss up him chest, and then before Mr. Coombs said before him know what happened, but the whole light gone and she like she swallowed him, have to kick his eye off and thing like that.
No, he's have to push him up and then down. So, come back to you. She used to work on bus.
Yeah, she used to work on bus. Yeah, I want.
From town to Portmore. From Junction Road.
Yeah, to where? Where you say?
From Kingston to Portmore, go Junction Road.
Oh, Junction Road. Yeah, Portmore, you go Junction Road side. Stone Hill, Golden Spring, Junction Road, yeah.
Right, so when you come back, her son's birthday, me kill a goat, I send me a figure, my brother give me a goat figure.
What? One wall a goat fair, girl a go on good, man.
Yeah, man, my brother give me, you to buy a goat, I send her, you know, so.
Yeah.
My sister, you know what I want, so my sister go talk to her yard, man, say, you know, you goat meat that evening, so my wife know what wife is. When me there for 3 evening, I go downtown, to go meet thing, you know.
Yeah.
Me and my wife vice. She go by drive the side and call and ask the one. Me not call the name from radio.
Yes.
So, the driver say, on your back, by back seat.
We say you run her back?
No, man, the lady woman.
Okay, yeah.
She was a conductress for a bus, no.
Right, conductress for a bus. Okay, cool.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
And when the person step up off the tree, a parade up against the clock there. Now my wife, so me just get up and hold around. And she come up the bus and hold around and come off the bus. So me come off the bus and try bite me. So me no know.
No, well, I know, Mr. Coombs. So your wife catch you then?
Well, yeah, but because when I bus, the back seat, the long back seat, man, you still want about 2 more parts in there.
All right, so she catch you in her back seat and things. So when you see her now, because she works for the woman right, where you get the goat, you know. Yeah, you got to walk out back and goat out to her. But what you say now is that when your wife come on, you just hold your wife and start just kind of...
come off and cross the road, now we go down 7 buses years back.
No, but hold on, Mr. Coombs. So when you hold your wife and when you say your wife start bite you?
He bite me about 3 times. So me not pay no mind.
So when you say you don't pay no mind, you just take it bite them, don't you?
Just take it bite, man.
Take it bite them, take bite because you know what you did that do. So you know why you get bite. When you hold her and she just start bite up your nastiness. Anyway, go on to
Me take me right to that wall, the road I will left on. Yeah, and me just go 7 buses half a tree there.
But 7 bus never did go pop inside.
No, we come down for half a tree and just tell me the river.
Oh, river, okay, go on to.
So the bus come down for half a tree and we come out the park road, we go 3 miles. So me take the bus for half a tree, we go 3 miles.
Yeah, but I hear this, Mr. Coombs.
A long time, you know, they tell me about 29, 30.
And then tell you you're a big man. Yeah, you're a big man for me then. Are the JOS boss?
Yeah, man, JOS boss, man.
Oh, okay, go and talk. Anyway, go on.
The JOS boss accept. JOS boss was number 7, but I come down the park road.
Yeah.
So I take the bus one day, so we come over 3 miles, we take 91, go over to the city. So I just hold him, and we got the number 7 bus come over 3 miles. Go on almost not take 91, go 3 miles, have we got to go yard, and she just call it off, we never mix up here.
Oh, so you say you never get for going with nothing at night, that you have to go home with your wife, no?
Yeah, man, we couldn't go near me, so when she come by the bus, we have to just come off and just laugh it off.
Yeah, for just come off, for you never get for work out back and go to that. So you give the conductress one whole of goat and you never get nothing that night, they don't?
That night, no.
No,
But the goat and the bed and everything, so a birthday for your son, you know.
Oh, a birthday for your son?
Yeah, man.
Well, I know, Mr. Coombs, then I saw them a race on the road out there.
Yeah, man.
Down at Jamaica.
Pure night sometime, you know.
Jesus have mercy, me hear the car there, Mr. Coombs, because you're the right on the ugly part there, no?
Me about 5 feet from the road, no.
Me hear the car them a while ago, man, then I saw them go along back down there, Mr. Coombs.
Me glad you hear. I'm going to cut off about 25 feet island, no.
Lord have mercy. Oh, if you widen the road, no?
Yeah, they're coming 25 feet.
Yeah, me know them do that. The government, them do that for widen the ugly park road down there.
Yeah.
But what a piece of speed them a go along with down there on the road, Mr. Coombs.
Come again.
No, me say, what a piece of speed them a go along with down there on the road, no?
Sometimes you hear them look calm, you have to glide on, but you're not trouble me. When me get past me, you're not trouble me.
You're not trouble you. So, Mr. Coombs, that night there, when you give her the goat for your son's birthday and thing, I never nothing because you and her did that juggle for a long time, don't
you? A long time we are going, man. Long time.
And even though your wife carry you home that night there and thing, you still go lick back the goat lady and thing and put her a couple more upon her, don't you?
You know, me used to work at Caribbean product at Fine-Town Road.
You used to work at where?
Caribbean product, a branch of separate.
Yeah, Caribbean product down a separate there near to TG, yeah.
Right down below DNG.
Below DNG?
Yeah,
okay.
Education, yeah.
Okay, so over Seaview side. Go on, yeah.
Yeah, from Seaview side, right.
Yeah.
So me used to work there long, so sometimes me work from 6 to 6.
6 to 6, yeah?
Yeah. So, but the right time of 4:30, you know.
What? The right time of what?
The right time of 7:30 to 4:30.
7:30 to 4:30. That's at the right time.
But sometimes we work 6:30. So me can work 6 o'clock longer. Me work for 6 o'clock. Yeah, me work till 4:30 and go to town.
Oh. So when your wife think you work 6 to 6, you really work and I come out 4:30.
Right, me work from 6 till 4:30.
Oh, but you know, make your wife know say 4:30.
No.
Okay, because when at 4:30 you come off and you're going downtown to the goat lady.
Man, gone down the thing right against Captain Baker on the left-hand side of the street there.
Yeah, I don't say you're gone because I don't say she did ends out though. I don't say she live down.
No, man, she work at town up and she the bus park up Slide Road.
Yeah?
Yeah, the bus park down the check up just now. So when she don't know, she walk come downtown and come take the bus to go in yard.
Oh, so you meet her downtown then?
She come meet me down there, me go meet her sometimes. Sometimes me go there and he told her come down. Walk come down.
Then what them I say when so them time they do like a wish party they doing things. A fear yard, don't know.
No man, no, when we go do it in?
Yeah.
No man, no inside the hotel man against Captain Baker over the other side of my Parwin Street.
Oh, one hotel, then it's Captain Bakery there. Okay.
Parwin Street, Bank Captain Baker on the left-hand side going up Parwin Street.
Oh, so well on there now. When you go there, I want to look hotel then. So one of them look a short time hotel where you pay for 3 hours, don't?
Right.
Okay. So them time how much them charge for 3 hours?
Well, I mean, for 5 shillings or 10 shillings now.
I was a 5 shilling or 10 shilling. Cause them...
10 shillings now.
Oh, so well on, them time the Jamaica never have them own money yet.
Hold on, 60, hold on. Yeah, that time, I don't know. That time, yeah, that time, the dollar just changed. Yeah,
dollar just changed. Okay, so but in them range you do. So them time then now you just pay your little money because I have read, Mr. Coombs, I have read that Jamaica have these little small hotel where you can, you can pay for 3 hours and thing and you just go on with some lashings. And thing, shell it out and thing.
I buy a flask of rum.
A flask of rum?
And a Pepsi also. And we go and we drink and we do it thing and we drink and we do it thing.
Mr. Coombs, you were a little player, man. You were a player. What you say, Mr. Coombs?
When you go for your big flask of rum and a Pepsi or 2 Pepsi.
Yeah. And 2 what? And 2 what?
2 Pepsi or 1 Pepsi. Depends on the size of rum.
Depends on the size of rum and thing. And you and I just drink rum and Pepsi and thing and ketchup and well vibes, no?
And some of the sales and we fight.
And then what?
We do a fight.
And then we not doing a fight.
Yeah, man, we'll fight and we relax and we go fight back again.
What? Mr. Coombs, Coombs, when you say them days you juggle more than 1 round?
Oh, yeah, hold on, let me tell you, believe me. Me not call God name you. You tell me, say.
Yeah.
He never know, say. Him, at least he say he never good pan that. But him can't tell people say lie.
Yeah.
She say.
Yeah.
If she hear say he never good pan that.
Mm-hmm.
But he never know say Indian so good.
Jesus and peace. So Mr. Coombs, he did a deal with it wicked them time, they don't it?
Well, me would say wicked. Me good too, you know. A macho man, you know.
Oh, you say she did bad too. Macho man them bad, though.
A March woman, you man, March and April dangerous, no?
Jesus, what you say, March woman and April woman, them bad pan or something they don't?
March and April, you have to go up to them, man. You have to run them if you are not good.
What? Thank you for telling me, you know. Thank you for telling me because me not have nothing for prove and thing and you say, show me I'm not bad. What you say, March and April woman, them, you have to be careful because them woman, them bad.
Hear me.
Yeah.
Any man was afraid to burn.
Yeah.
Past March and April, one side.
Listen to me, Jamaica, New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Jamaica, on a year where the veteran in the thing say, all on a man out there, if you can't take burning, if you can't take when a woman a burning, do not go get involved with a woman who born March or April. You were warned, okay? Tell me, Mr. Coombs. Oh, it is serious.
March and April, you must know that donkey. You see donkey?
Yeah, what about donkey?
March and April, you have change and rope, change and chain. You can't put on rope on donkey, March and April, you know, the man donkey, rope.
Fire! What you said, the March and April, man, the man, how much you born, Mr. Coombs?
July.
July, yes, sir, right? But you say, what you say about the March and April, man, them? What about them?
Me don't know about the man, them. The donkey.
The donkey, them. What about the donkey, them?
You have to change, you have to rope and put on chain. For them buy the rope and go kill woman donkey.
Jeez and Mr. Coombs, are you telling me that the real donkey them, you talk about real donkey them in Jamaica?
Real donkey,
the
real
one
donkey
them were born March and April. Them donkey there. All when you tie them up, them nya up the rope and bust the rope.
You might think a joke, but me only sorry say, me can't call name for you, man. Maybe they might just the program.
No, well on there, and you say them donkey there, when you tie them up, them a bite off the rope and go find one female donkey and lash up that, don't it?
Me say you have to cut off the rope and put on chain.
Jeez and peace. Hear them
You
up.
can't buy the chain.
I hear what go on. All woman who born March and April, and don't talk to me, because I can't manage, I just make it known right now. Based on what Mr. Coombs say, me no want no woman who born March and April come even say nothing to me, because based on what Mr. Coombs say, me cannot manage. Go on talk here, Mr. Coombs, go on talk.
No, don't guide you and keep, don't practice you and then you start that 2 minutes out, you know.
Well, Mr. Coombs, you say, them will guide you and keep you and practice you and broke you out. Them will take, well, you seem to, Mr. Coombs, you seem to be saying that them dangerous, but them will like guide you and broke you out tonight.
If Martin man love the man, you put up on your man and give you legs, son. You see when you shake, son.
What you say, if the Martin man them love you, them will do what?
Then see you say, yeah, when yes, man, I see about your course.
I see, yeah, man, I see about the course and figure make him out. Them, what you say, the Martin man? Eh?
I said, let's see, you know. I tell you, man,
what you say?
That time the 2 foot bottom up on the bed, you know.
That the time you're 2 foot bottom up on the bed, I feed them 2 foot bottom.
You man, 2 foot on the bed.
All right. Well, I don't know, because some of them probably don't even understand what I go on. When I get to our country, if you know what I go on. In Jamaica, right? In Jamaica, when time people are build up them look a place or whatever, them now have them only for bullshit thing we go on a foreign here, right?
Right.
So people who go buy them look a block, them go buy them sand, them go buy them gravel and whatever. But when you mix it mortar now, you have to sieve the sand. Right. And this when you sieve the sand, it make out a board, it's like a square, but the bottom now is like a mesh, it's almost like a strainer. And you have to throw the sand in. And in order to get the good sand for making mortar, which is the cement, right, you have to put the sand and then you have to shake it. So what Mr. Coombs has said is that the March woman them so dangerous and wicked, but him say they are patient and understanding because them will go so boom, flat foot, you know, we can't go in no details, but them will just go so flat foot, and when them over you, and them will sieve your son, just a sieve your son.
Yeah, man, that time them back on the bed, you know, on your foot and your shoulder.
What you said that time, what?
You run part on the bed, on your foot, bottom and your shoulder, you know.
Then we don't know what. Yeah.
The bottom part of them, not the bed, you know.
Yes, man, you know, the on the bed, I just them flat foot and them just a civil sand down. And a civil sand. And a civil sand, left, right. But I want me to wind up and down that people, them students like 7 hours you talk. Listen to me now, Mr. Coombs.
Hold on, otherwise you say?
Yeah.
Yeah, my one face is take the field, give me something. Take the field, give me something.
What that go what?
Take the field, can give me something. Take the field, can give me something.
Who said that?
One woman, one little young girl, the man over you know, uptown daughter, rich man daughter.
Yeah.
This uptown daughter, no man over you, so they married to one ghetto man.
Yeah.
So the ghetto man tells you, well, you come when river washing lag roadside. And put it on the bank and lay down the lag.
What you said the man say coming like when river what?
River wash a piece of dead lag and put it on the river bank.
Like when river wash a piece of dead rag and put it on the river bank?
Yes, a woman died on her bed.
Oh, yeah, she not go with nothing. One uptown woman who pop down. She don't know if to do this something them down.
No, pop down. She never know the understanding.
Oh, she not have the understanding. She not have them skills there.
No, young man.
Young girl, yeah, young bud, no know what go on. So,
right. The woman used to buy marketing fair, if she don't know what to buy. Sometimes ball one day and say, Lord, mommy, something wrong and me can't tell you. So the woman say, if me and your mother, me carry you 9 months and you can't tell me your secret, who you going to tell?
Exactly.
Right? So the woman say, what is it? He say, boy, John say me lie down on the bed like that. He said, sure. And that's what I talk about.
Oh, so when she tell her mother now, when the mother said, listen to me, I carry you 9 months in my belly, so you must can't tell me anything. And then, so she tell her mother, said, John, say, boy, me just lie down daddy like old log, like piece of board and workless and things. So what the mother tell her now?
It's all right. Next week you carry 5 shillings come. A long time years, you know. You carry 5 shillings extra away from the market money.
Yeah.
So the mother go out town now and buy 1 yard of silk.
1 yard of silk, yeah.
And 1 yard of satin for 2 and 6 a yard.
1 yard of silk, 1 yard of satin for 2 and 6 a yard. 2 and 6 are like what? That 2 shillings and 6 pence. All right, yeah.
2 and 6 and 2 and 6 are 5 shillings.
Yeah, 5 shillings. Yeah.
Yeah, so when the lady come, when the mother come from market, we go see on the market thing, the mother go for you, the daughter go for you.
Go for what?
So the daughter go for the market things and go for the silk and satin.
And go for silk and satin, yeah.
So the mother lay down on the bed, on fear bed, on the mama bed, you know.
Yeah.
And you hold the silk now one and hold the satin now one and. And you say, when my man go up and glory land tonight, just move left, right. Silk, satin, silk, satin, silk, satin.
Silk, satin, silk, satin, silk, satin. So well I know, the mother teach her and I tell her what to do, don't.
When you go home tonight, that's the final night, you know.
Yeah. So the mother show her how she do. I said the mother lay down dead man, just you did do the silk.
Silk, satin.
So how the silk, me not understand why she have to use silk and satin for show her.
Well, you have to use something to draw your attention.
For draw your attention.
To a nice cloth with a nice rug.
But, so wait, what the silk and satin cloth did they? When the mother show her, what did they?
Just story go by the day, man, you go market.
No, but me say when the mother show the daughter what to do, if the daughter go back to her man or down her John, what the mother did hold the silk and satin, what she did do? What did they?
Yeah, don't find the better show with you, man.
Oh, all right, then go and talk. So the mother teach her and I tell.
When you go midnight, my man come up nice up now and beard and everything, and you man go in nice shorts and look attractive.
Yeah.
And you go up on your bed, man, and turn off light and silk satin, and go up and silk satin.
Well, at the time John a work, you know, and she a do the silk satin, though.
Yeah, man, John a work, and John to wait, go on, and you work, silk satin.
Silk satin. So she a put on the silk and satin and work on him, though.
Yeah, man.
Poop on Jesus.
Draw away silk and say, give me the silk and take the satin.
Who said that?
Give me the silk and take the satin. Give me the silk and take the satin.
Who says so, Mr. Coombs?
The man.
Yes, man. Well, and that means she didn't put it on him good.
Yeah, man, put on the man and show him what we do, man.
Jesus and peace, and the way sweet the boy now, John say, give me the silk and take his satin. Give me the silk and take his satin.
So the nice him now, when something nice you want that second round, you know.
Yeah.
So we must go back to the second round now, no silk and satin, no go on now.
Oh.
So we must move it now, you know, move it. So when I'm done now with the second round, he said, tell me something. I'm holding on you. He said, me not tell you. He said, then you must can't tell me somewhere you go, some child get back. So he said, no. And mama tell me what to do.
See there. Mr. Coombs, nowadays mama now if you tell them nothing, you know, them go right on YouTube. Them go on YouTube. Now YouTube them go on and thing. I'm gonna learn how to do eh?
Them tell mama what to do now.
Yeah. What you say? One time Ghana did mama tell look a young girl what to do, but nowadays a young girl I tell mama what to do.
I tell mama now.
Tambourine. Okay, a different thing. A YouTube them go learn up with something them man. Like
yeah,
Bob.
Anyway,
one woman up here named Babs Billias Grove and thing. A YouTube she learn how to do it after, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, she named Babs Billias Grove right here in New York and thing. And she said she never know how to do the dugu. And a YouTube, she go and go learn it and thing. She go watch YouTube and all them something there and come back and run it pan her junk.
YouTube,
eh?
Them make the never mind you, them make you never do fashion.
No. Them they sitting there never their fashion. We understand.
Anyway, you listener get a good piece, so have a good night.
Yes, Mr. Coombs, thank you for calling and kick off your thing nice in on Friday. You hear?
And next week, man, you get a nice kick off, right?
All right then, Mr. Coombs. Enough love and blessings, you know. Proper.
Right. Big up the listener, then. Big up the listener.
Long time, man. I love you see?
I say go, man. All right.
All right, Mr. Coombs. Father Coombs, you don't know, so the general down there in Jamaica, people New York and thing off the Ugly Park Road and thing, the man are 84, 85-year-old and still full of vibes. And them something that we like. We don't want nobody come and so come daddy up your thing. You understand? COVID depend people in a debt, all kind of stress depend people and all them something. The people want to look laugh, and look vibes and all them thing. And when you want those things, you come right here to Ragashanti Live and thing. And if I'm not here, you go over to my channel on YouTube, Ragashanti TV. And over there, so it there, and people don't know what I'm going tomorrow night, you know. You don't know what I'm going tomorrow night on Ragashanti TV over YouTube. You don't know what I'm going. Free up with Ragashanti, the realest Jamaican talk show. What we say it name? Free up with me. All crosses Ragashanti tomorrow night. 8 o'clock New York time. 7 o'clock Jamaica time. Woyoy. Free up tomorrow. Pan Ragashanti TV over YouTube. I got a break with so dirty Prezi want me. You good? Prezi, you good? Yeah, Prezi, I'm a general. I got a break. We're soon forward.
No, not just radio, man, you know. IrieJam radio, you know.
Ragashanti Live. Ragashanti Live. Ragashanti Live. Yeah, on a year with the boss them say about the dollar van them, you know, so I want to get the dollar van. Hey, big up all dollar van driver out there. Large up on yourself, ratings and respect, you know, because we don't know, say, not only one on a drive on a van and all these things and whatever, that on a feed on a family with and send on a picnic them go school and all these things and whatever. We know, say, a whole heap of people depend upon, you know. You understand? Because we know how the inner city get to something the thing go, you know. All right? So big up all dollar van and have Ragashanti full support. And people do remember them say October 27th, right? Commuter van rally October 27th from 10 o'clock in the morning. 633rd Avenue between 40th and 41st Street over in Manhattan there again. 633rd Avenue. Me voluntarily, I'll put a strength on this on the show for make you know what I go on, right? Commuter vans need reasonably priced insurance. The Department of Financial Services is making that impossible, right? 300 commuter van, dollar vans currently not operating due to this ongoing issue. It sounds to me like something right, yes, so and I have to make the voices be heard so people are showing the support for the dollar van them out there and thing, right? Ragashanti live on the ears right now up on the Big Bad Bridge, 99 FM in Jamaica. And also, give it that tonight is a Friday night. You are hearing me, on IrieJam Radio in the Big Bad in New York City. Oh, I'm big up all of the borough them, you know, Staten. I saw the thing set Bronx, yeah. Manhattan, I saw the thing set. What was that Queens? What was that Brooklyn? What was that Strong Island? Them for no, duh. I'm big up Westchester County, who are here with loud and clear. Big up Mount Vernon, where we have the thing lock and seal. Big up Southwest Connecticut and thing, all up Greenwich and thing, where I get peace away and all these things. Yeah, big up Northeast New Jersey, Patterson. New Jersey, big up on yourself. Everything is everything, man. With there, you know, I feel nice in the night. Yeah, we say energy, Raga full of energy. And yeah, me have energy in everything. Da, da, dee, da, da, da. See, big up Mr. Coombs, you know, Mr. Coombs, talk up with something of them, you know, back in the day. Player, Father Coombs, take it to them, dog. Tina, people, well, me just go call her name down. Because I didn't want to tell her what she writing, but I go call her name. President, look what Tina write. You see it? Look on the wall with Tina right. You see it? You see Tina, bad girl, no? Stacey, run go look what Tina right. Quick. Stacey, well, Shani big enough now, you know, Stacey, so we can't make Shani. Boy, me have to get used to this, you know, because Shani coming like me look a picnic same way, you know. But anyway, Shani, I don't know, you know. I we say defend you and protect you, don't. But Shani big enough can read them something, you know. Press you read what Tina, right? You see Tina, bad girl. Anyway, to give me permission, me tell you no. Tina, you know, so I go call your name. Usually with them something I like, me I go tell them, I no call no name, you know. So just send, you have my number, Tina, WhatsApp me, I make me know if I can't say what me, yeah. Anyway, yeah, give me the call. Hello.
Raga.
Greetings.
Oh, you do Raga.
You know what's my hearty night, man, hearty, yeah.
Raga,
yeah.
Your record. Me a born a man baby mother for 2.5 years, you know.
Yeah.
And the man find out in a year. And the man say, "Oh, kill me, you know." Man live a Connecticut, me live a Bronx.
Yeah. Well, no. Well,
Raga.
you just said, you said the man live a Connecticut, live a Bronx. What you mean by that?
No, me live a Bronx, him live a Connecticut.
Right, and then you are blazing
and
baby man.
live a Connecticut.
Right. And
Me a blazer in a Raga.
yeah.
Me a 58 in a Raga, and him a 50.
Yeah.
And he can't blaze it. And me a blaze it for 2.5 years. And him find out in a year.
Yeah.
And the man say, "Oh, kill me."
Yeah.
The man say, "Oh, me a go murder you, a murder."
Yeah.
You have to stop, fucker.
No.
The man.
Hey, you can't say that word, man. I'm going to cut it out, Prezi. Dog, you can't say them word upon the people. Well, on, man, stop, man. You can't say that word upon the radio, man. All right. It cut out.
All right.
You can't say that word there, yeah?
Yeah, but the man ball like a baby Raga.
No, well on.
Come 9 town Raga.
Yeah, me just, you know what, you can't say certain word. You know what kind of word you can't say, right?
All right.
President, let me see the word.
Yeah.
Let me see the word. All right, you're going to get me in a trouble now you do that, here. All right. So what you say? The man say you can't go in and come.
Me can't come 9 town.
Yeah.
I come 9 town for 2.5 years, you know. And me have to call him, I have to tell him, say, him's a baby bag. He must go drink his mother breast because he can't handle it. Simply just back off and make me go and work it.
Well, you tell the man say since him can't manage him woman, him for just back off and make you go and work it?
Yes.
Jesus.
And then the man I tell her, say, "You know, Raga." Boy, you can't go and fuck you.
No, wait, cut it. People, Jesus. People want to call you, you can have to watch the language, man. You have to, President could take a break. The stress. People can't use them language. And the man get excited and eat it, but President, I'm talk to you, man, and the man. People, we have to take a break. The stress. We have to take a break. Let me take a break, President. Take a break. Ay, boy. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. All right, people. Let me just remind you again, man, on a call in a radio on a depend, so you can't use certain language and all these things. Right? So I want to say some people are going to deliberately call in for bait up a thing. I want to say somehow are going to make mistake. Whether or not we have to go, make sure it's a reminder, and thing appropriate disclaimer and all these things, all right? Appropriate disclaimer and all these things. If you don't want to talk, free up them way there. You have to wait till tomorrow night on Ragashanti TV, okay? On YouTube, right? Tomorrow night, 8 o'clock, the channel, what the channel name, Ragashanti TV, right? And what the program name, Free Up with me, Ragashanti, the realest Jamaican talk show. So tomorrow night you can talk and, one of not expressing yourself if one and two look at Jamaican indigenous expression forward, we make allowances for that. But not for the people in radio. Alright? Not for the people in radio. I can't say them word upon the people in radio. Please, me I beg you no. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it, because not only that, you kill the vibes to man. Look how the energy did that jug. Look at a man like Mr. Coombs. You look what Mr. Coombs talk about. Look at all of the things that Mr. Coombs talk about. And nothing Mr. Coombs say violate the thing. Yeah? Look at my thing Mr. Coombs talk about. Mr. Coombs talk about a bag of something, a whole heap of something. Mr. Coombs all use up some wicked code and say, Raga, when she go up on her 2 flat foot and start sieve and give the sieve and think, yeah, and them look at creativity they will want, man. Use your imagination, right? Use your creativity, right? You can't talk about the something them but does. That's why somehow you don't ever get certain woman, you know. You don't get good woman. Because you don't know the lyrics. You don't just raw so and thing. Oh, and by the way, a while ago, I say, raw, so. Right? Right? But of course, when you talk, then come together, raw, so. Okay. Yeah. Yo, right, look how much things Mr. Coombs talk a while ago. You understand? I know for nice up a thing, same way. Vibes up a thing. President Mr. Coombs to talk for about like say 40 minutes or so, no. And keep a thing jiggy. You understand? Nice up a thing, and I was laughing and going. And I know Mr. Coombs I said no word. But would I say, John, Mr. Coombs, you know if you say that word there. You understand? Yeah, so it can be done. So if you know you can't do it, don't call the show and come beat up this man. Come on, man, you make it bad for everybody, yo. You see me? All right? So with the party same way, Bill back, why so the thing said, if you don't want to talk up with something of them and use up some of our little native languages them from the Caribbean and Jamaica, but don't even know what Sonia would have said. Because Sonia Sonia represent for 3 flag right now, you know. Sonia represent, Sonia they are Canada, so she represent for Canada. Sonia born and grew Grenada, so she represent for Grenada. And Sonia love Jamaica, so she represent Jamaica. When Sonia wave flag fear and them tired, you know. When Sonia wave flag and they touch 3 flags she wave. 3 flags she wave. 3 flags she wave, all right? So I don't know what the things them with Sonia would have said. Oh, for them swear word go, or for them hot word them go, or whatever. But they don't know. And tomorrow night thing that, man. Ragashanti TV, on YouTube, on this big program when they Free Up with me, right? The realest Jamaican talk show, the realest Caribbean talk show it need for name. I'm going to tell, hey, I'm going to tell Jimmy for, well, probably can't leave it, nothing wrong. Everything is everything. For change the tagline, but you don't know. So anyway, we want to call in now and give you any mix-up, give you any little drama what happen out the road or from long time or whatever the case may be. Or if you have go through something right now where you need some little feedback or advice, man, I am here. If you have a mix-up on Reverend from Just Jerk Restaurant, if you have a mix-up on Rev, call in and give it a mix. Rev, I'm a general. If you have a mix-up on Rev or Patrick, call in and give it a mix-up, yeah? Yo, we don't want to mix up them, I'm a friend. Okay, so I don't want to know why I don't want to come down, my friend them. Yeah. Give me the call, Chris. Hello.
Yeah.
Greetings. Greetings. Turn off the radio. Yeah, what y'all say?
What go on, my brother?
My day, you know, what y'all say?
Nothing, man. I look for some ganja for bun, you know, but I not find nothing for smoke soul, yeah. I not find nothing.
What you say?
Call up the DJ and say, what go on and big up the family.
Oh, yeah. What you say? You look some ganja for bun, but you can't find none?
Yes, sir, but I not find none. I'm stuck on the traffic in the Van Wick here, man.
Okay, but which part you there right here now?
Jamaica, Van Wick and Jamaica, Van Wick and Liberty. Traffic, yes, sir, traffic.
Oh, what? No, you can't turn off the radio in our background, Papa. We can't hear that. You hear? Yeah. What you say?
My bad.
Yes.
But yes, sir.
What you say? You're up on the van? Oh,
But we just want to bless up the family and bless up everybody, you know?
All
bless
right.
up yourself and bless up everybody.
Well on. Which country you come from? Which country you represent? Which country? Which country in the Caribbean? Trinidad. Big up on Trinidad out there. Why
Yeah.
All right. Big up on Trinidad. Big up yourself. All right. Hey. Respect. All right. Mad thing.
Yes, sir. Take it easy, man. Take it easy, my brethren.
All right, Papa.
Bless
Respect. Up. Anna. Cool. Greetings. Hello.
Good night.
Good night.
Long time listener, first time caller.
Are you on speakerphone, Bluetooth, or earpiece?
Sorry about that.
All right, then. Cool. Wagwan.
All right, me have a little drama for my uncle.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
All right. Me I work on my room, so certain things have to come out of my room. So I leave my bed down there, a brand new queen size bed.
Right.
So it stay down there for a period of time.
Well, you take your bed out of one room and leave it with him, or you take out everything and left the bed in the room?
Just the bed. Me leave at his room, at his place.
Oh, so you just leave your bed at his place for a while. Okay, cool.
Yeah. So him bring in a catty.
Yeah.
Him and the catty make an arrangement for 10 slap and she can't get my bed.
Your uncle do what?
Make arrangement with the catty.
Well on. You do some renovation on your place. So you need them to take out your things and to put them someplace while them are renovate. So you ask your uncle to keep your bed. And your uncle bring in a catty, you say, right? And then and him and the catty make arrangements. And you she run upon him 10 times she get the bed.
Him only get 6 out of the 10.
And well on, him get 6 slap out of the 10? So how that did go then with the bed? What she do? She get 2/3 of the bed? But just ask.
No man, she not get the bed. But even not forget the full 10, forget the bed.
Oh what? So you know she Ginala, Uncle Ginala.
Mister Raga, then since recently in the week,
yeah.
I'm gonna tell her say, it's a situation whereby he needs in a sticky position, so she'd have to take the bed and take the bed to sleep on.
Oh.
As soon as she come out of that situation, him can't get back the bed to give her.
So him give her that for all then. So what him do? Him tell her that for she come back and run it again?
Yeah, man.
So hold on. So she didn't run it back after that?
Me not know yet. Me have to find out in a week if it's arrangement plan for running.
No, hold on. So your uncle a real cool thing, a real road dog that thing, man. So hold on, say. Yeah, go on, talk. What you say?
No, man, I say you understand?
No, so hold on. So she did really go in at the deal and Billy. Our nice bed, yeah? Our nice bed?
Yeah, one boss bed, queen size, pasta perfect.
Okay, so I mean, I want nobody feel like you don't want to come banter now. You want something in pasta perfect. Because them will beat you, you know. The TamFam, them will say,
boss.
No, man, them will say, apostropedic. She didn't want to say, I'm going to say pasta perfect. But you meant to say pasta perfect. Okay. So your uncle going at this this woman are going at the deal with your uncle now for run 10 sat out upon him and then she get the bed and thing. And after she run 6 and thing and whatever. Only
come for the bed.
You come and take your bed.
Not even me rolling nice with the people them husband as yet.
Yeah, not even you rolling nice with the cause the people them husband you talk to. Yeah, keep it real, no?
Yeah.
Okay, so
soon
the people.
To be mine, but me not sure yet.
Soon to be yours?
Yeah.
No, we have to go talk about that part there. But before we get to that part there, yeah. So a 6 run upon him. And a 4 more she did for run for get the bed, no?
Yeah, man, he might look the 4. Even if he not get the 4, he want to take the 2. I'll make you stay with the next 2.
Even if he not get the 4, what?
Even if he not get the other 4,
yeah.
Him just want to get 2 so she can stay with the next 2.
He even take 3 more too. I said, the deal was 10, you know, and I'm got 9 running, you know, so you can't get no bed. Hey, you know, I don't even want to bother with this guy. You stress me out right here now. I can't even want but
I have a next drama to tell you about him.
Yeah, tell me, because it look like him full of drama.
Me asleep.
Oh, that...
Sleep and I drop asleep.
Yeah, tell me.
Now, all right, he usually deal with 2 catty one time.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And each catty, this both catty,
yeah,
the same toothbrush and the same towel.
Well, on, him did have 2 women, and the 2 women them use the same toothbrush and the same towel. A female?
A female.
Okay, and each one of them think of them alone I use the toothbrush and the towel, don't
you understand now, when the towel dirty, him just straighten a bucket of water with half buckle of bleach.
It's a white towel?
Yes, it's a white towel, man.
No, but you know why me find that strange, though?
Mm-hmm.
Because me don't know how to do it, you know. Me don't know how to do it. But you see, when it come to minutia, some small little particles, women usually really good for see them something upon a towel, you know. If
but
I even...
When him done throw the bleach pan, it white and pretty.
Oh, so them hard for them see anything when the next one I come use it, don't? It remind me of one famous mix-up with the dip on that show named the Red Rag Mix-Up, you know. With the
yeah, no, it when the regular I play my member.
I make you member.
I call you.
Yeah.
But every time I drop asleep, man.
Yeah. So him did have 2 women. No, but oh God, man, why make the 2 of them use the same toothbrush? Nah, man, he shouldn't.
Him have it to say them not provide anything, so them work with them I get and just to slap them and look for and not look for nothing else.
So what I say right now, I just work Kings, you know. I just some look dogo, you see me? So right now, I don't go make no look extra effort to get an extra toothbrush and thing, you know, make them go and work with the tooth. Make them go and work with the same toothbrush and thing. And
but them a work with it till the bridge them skin out, spread out, wide out.
Then you tell me say the woman them still a brush them teeth when the come know that's something there, you know. When the toothbrush them spread out and can't come back, you know. You understand? It's like yeah, but don't even want to use a term where we use at Jamaica, but you don't know the SKIN, right? When it just spread out and all them something there and thing or whatever, and them still I use a toothbrush.
Still I use it.
Nah, man, then I want to go and write. That's why them never talk up and say big man. Why them never bring them one toothbrush?
Them just come for the slapping, not more or a little pocket change.
And I look a pocket change and cut and Lego.
Cut and Lego.
Nah, but them still should have said something, man. I bring them one toothbrush and get boomy about the thing and say, oh, that toothbrush has spread out.
You know, some female in a real matter to them, you know.
Okay.
Female no real matter to them. You have some real rough. I not even know how to describe them, but some of them no really matter.
But let me ask you something. When you there world and you juggle and do your thing and what, you ever make a man give you a toothbrush for use it?
No, mama, bring my own toothbrush.
Thank you.
And rag.
Argument done. Argument
bring it back
done.
Home.
And bring it back home. Argument
right,
done.
yes, sir.
So real quick though. You said the people them husband soon to be yours. How that a go?
Yeah.
How that a go?
It's just me now own him to say it's mine, but me I go and roll with this guy. I really like him. So
yeah.
Just I go and roll with him until him me know say officially say me a mine or me decide my mind say I'm alright with the commitment.
Yeah.
Me say yeah mine, but for now the people them husband we can decide to leave or him can decide to leave at any moment.
At any time and thing. But it sounds to me though that it a go on good with you and him though.
It a go on good man.
Nice.
Older guy for me, I go on good man.
For an older guy, how much older if you don't mind me ask? Why? 10 years older? That's not in them time, man. But yeah, well.
No, it's my first time.
Your first time?
First time at that age.
Oh, okay. Let's say if I like first time or whatever. At that age.
No,
so usually you're juggling at your age group, but your first time I deal with a man that much older than you, don't? Okay. And you like it. It sounds like you're enjoying it.
It's a great experience.
Okay. How is it different from when you did a date man your age?
It was alright. My motive was we grow together, we learn together.
Okay.
So all a person would I say, alright, them have them experience already. make them, I don't want nobody to experience. We also want experience. In my group, we experience things together. And I have that experience, but unfortunately, it didn't work out.
Right.
It went on for 9 years.
Right.
But I tried to show it.
Right.
But I just say, you know what, I just give something a chance. Try something new.
Try something different. All right. Wish you all the best with it and thing, you understand, all right? Because sometimes things have some interesting ways of actually working out, all right? And don't make nobody come with them negativity, come going like them and mash up your thing. If you are leaving, your choice, all right? Big up yourself, here. All right. Mad thing and blessings, here?
Yeah.
All right. So the thing set, you know what, you know, so every Friday, Ragashanti live upon IrieJam Radio. When I hear it all over New York City right here now. And me, I'm Miss Cherry Washbelly, my mama last picnic and thing. And me, name Ragashanti, me I do this for decades. And that's the thing. The bigger part with Jamaica linking upon the bridge 99 FM too. Give me that call, present. Send on. Don't hang on. Hello.
Yeah, blessed good night, Miss Cherry Washbelly.
What I got on?
Oh, straight out of CT, Connecticut, you know?
See, there, which part of CT there you link from? Which part? Bridgeport?
East Haven. No, we used to there at Bridgeport, but we recently come at East Haven, you know.
East Haven. You know what, me used to live over
there? Yeah?
Yeah, man, we used to live over there.
Yeah, me I tell you, say, the manners topic me I touch from, me don't really have no manner woman mixed up, you know?
Yeah, man, make we hear what going, yeah. Manners, yeah.
Yeah. A elder tell me a little story about himself and at the time, and you know that kind of live with me.
Yeah, tell me.
It's like the elder tell me same father said him go to shop, you know?
Yeah.
And him go down at the shop and some things go on where him end up after tell the shopkeeper a whole heap of colourful words, you know?
Yeah.
So the shopkeeper slap him up and him bar go back up to him father and I tell him father, say, yo, the shopkeeper slap him up and thing. Same father say, no man, that not right, man. Where shopkeeper slap you up for? Because Ray, and him tell him some colourful words.
See it?
So him say, hear what? Go back down to the shopkeeper and go tell him some more colourful words. He can't slap you up. And I'm your father.
Yeah.
Same. Cry, go down at the shopkeeper with him nose around whole heap of nose knot and a bag of sitting. Go down there and see shopkeeper and tell him some whole heap of colourful words again.
Real out of whole heap more something
again.
And shopkeeper slap him up again.
Whole heap more slap on him.
Yeah.
Slap him up again and send him back up.
Yeah.
Same father said, no man, that's not right, man. You have to go back down there and tell him back the colourful words. Tell him say go back down there second time and the shopkeeper whop him up again.
Third time.
Go back up a yard and tell him father. It's second time when him go back up a yard and tell him father. Him father tell him say, that's what you're supposed to get. You're supposed to have manners to elder people. And on top of that, when him come home back, his father give him some whipping.
His father slap him up to a thing.
You must have manners.
Have manners, man. See,
must have manners. You must have manners. Don't disrespect elder.
See it there. See it there.
Yeah, man. So that I have to tell you.
Yo, differently do I know. You know, say, well, I hear that one you do. Me have a little quick mix up figure. Me and one BD there, you know, and she live at East Haven, you know. And them time, them did still a lecture down at Jamaica. Are you with? The University of the West Indies. So, but we say we did there, you know.
Yeah.
So, but me not gonna lie till them time the man a do road, you know? Man a do road. You understand? So, cause a little thing did go down. A little thing did go down one time when she said she want buy something, right? I'm not getting no details. And so I sent me another juggle. I said, all right, me jump in with you and thing, you know, and, you know, me pay, pay for whatever I fight to and thing, cause since you want that something there, you know? You know, me and her there. We say we're there.
Yeah.
And thing. And then she said, no, she don't want me to come in on this. So I said, for real? She said, no, she don't want me to come in on this, you know. So I said, okay. So I said, but why you don't want me to come in on it? Because me and you there, you know. And I said, boy.
Yeah.
She kind of want to do this for herself, you know. And she kind of want to fear her name alone upon it, you know. So me not say nothing. I say, all right, cool. And we are juggle, months pass. So after months pass now, when I tell you, me say something now, me I say, that's the same thing where she buy, you know. So me say something now, and me I say, boom, I see that thing here, you know. Me I hold it, you know. And one girl get excited now, and I say, yeah, this or whatever now. But she ride horses, right? She do one thing named dressage, right? I don't know if you know dressage. You know them something there where them ride the ass and the ass look like it a dance and it raise up its knee and them something there.
Yeah.
That is called dressage. She do them something there. You know? She come on kind of look a family where do them something. So all of a sudden now, she use the first person plural. I be her we. Me a hear we. Be her we. We, when me go my thing, so. So when I turn her, I just neatly kind of screech up on her. I say, you know, say, be a we, me a ear. After me tell you, say, me, I go buy that something here. The same something where you buy for yourself for me did one. And then my girl, I go come to me with some cheap psychology and I say, boy, she can't believe, so me I think that I can't care about her because me did care, me would understand, say it's different for a woman. A woman have them own. Remember her, no? She's a drunk. She a chat to drunk raga who knows enough woman say, what is yours is ours and what is mine is mine. Don't you know enough woman juggle them with it?
Exactly.
So my girl come and tell me them something. Yes, I'm just tell her, say, that not gonna work, you know. Cause you put on your foot and you have your own thing. So, and so me I make sure so me have my own thing too. Right? And the two of we can go and juggle. So you know so from that, it's like so the thing never balance up. You see me? Alright? And so
broke up.
Yeah. So you know so when I time we reach 11 now, what she say, yo, if we're gonna do this forward. So I take up myself and left Jamaica and gone up there and think, get job at the University of Connecticut where I used to work and think. I teaching at the Anthropology department, me and her a juggler. But remember, I tell her she ride ass, you know, all right? But I don't know how long you listen Raga, you know, but Raga learn from woman. You follow what I say? A woman me learn from, and a woman teach me, so Raga, the first step for win any game in this man and woman thing is pay attention to details. You hear me say? A woman teach me that. All right. You know, say anytime she go riding and she come home, I be a dirt upon her because she play polo too. You know polo?
Yeah, man, I know polo.
But them ride the ass and lick it something, right? So she play, so she do dressage and she play polo. But anytime she go riding and thing and whatever, you know, she ever come home because her ass the name Body. Don't say nothing, okay? You know, the ass didn't name Body. She did have one ass named Body and one ass named Boomer. And now she don't know why every time she say, me must go ride Body. Me say, no, you ride Body. Me not ride Body. You understand? And now she don't know why, right? Me no want nobody because I have a video. I say, but what's wrong upon Body? Anyway, right? So me make sure me not go upon Body. All right, but anyway. But anytime she go do her thing, she come home and she dirty up because she have to go pick him up at the barn. Then she have to go do. So she always dirty her riding clothes. So me there in the house. You know say, so you have one bathroom downstairs, right? The house have 2 floors, you know? But you have one bathroom downstairs and thing.
Yeah.
And then now the other thing too. When me say if you do, pay attention to details, no. When me say if you do, pay attention to details. So, yeah, man. So, for her routine when she come home and she take out her riding things, she always throw them down in the kitchen first because she come through the back door. And she throw them down in the kitchen and she always sit down at the table. What me say she do? always sit, like no flinch. Sit down at the table. She always sit down at the table and just rest and take off her shoes because the riding shoes, them have some boots, you know, and she take off her shoes and kind of unwind.
Yeah, man.
Always do that. She always do that, you know. I know the house at E7 with them now, you know. So,
yeah.
One time now, she come. And when she come, I come down the stairs. And as I come down, I don't see her, but I know she come in. So she go in at the bathroom and drink. So I say, oh, she must be the one pee, you know? So I say, all right, I don't pay it no mind.
Yeah.
But I notice say, the shoes never take off or nothing. Right? Everything take off in at the bathroom. No, everything take off in at the bathroom. Remember, we are paying attention to details now, you know. So everything take off in at the bathroom. Home girl come out in her underwear and her little tank top, something. She has never done that before. The other thing I learned from woman, and listen to me now, you know, Master Raga teaching in case you never know, because I tell you some things what woman do, when mistake when man make. You see, when woman find out something and them find out something suspicious, they never say nothing right away. You follow me? You follow me?
Yeah.
What woman do? When them see the signal, that means it's time for investigation in order to know fully what is going on so you can establish confirmation. You follow me? Remember Raga tell us that woman him learn from. Okay. So when me see that now, by the time I learn the game, I say, you're going to the bathroom, go take off the whole of your clothes and come out and thing and whatever. The other thing what she do now, she gonna make a mistake. There's not one time this woman don't come home and she not tell me something happened at the barn or whatever, this and that, whatever. And as she come out now, she a give me a little comment right away about something bad with her friend. She have one friend named Lisa. And I tell me something bad with Lisa going with. Wrong move right there, so. Because something not going on in her fear mind where she want to kind of preoccupy my mind quick with something and distract me from something. So I play along and she threw her friend under the bus, whether I threw her fault. So I say, hey, I want to that woman here. She don't even know who she deal with, so I just clutch. And from that now, I start prayer every time she come in from riding, me a prayer.
Every step where she make.
Every time she come in from riding, I mean that neatly a prayer and whatever. You know, say one day one girl go ride and thing and whatever and this and that, and ride for hours. When she come home, same way how she go out, same way she come in, clean as a whistle.
No dirt.
No dirt. No dirt. No dirt. So in my mind, me I say, she really go riding, right? But she the body where she say she go ride, another body that she go ride. Oh.
Another 4 foot one.
No, it's not her ass body she go ride. It's not the body there. I mean, don't even make it bother me. You don't even make it bother me. I just know how I go on, but we can see what them time they took. You know, to a little, you see from all the little thing that it go on like months and months before, you know. When time she make that look wrong move there. You know, with that something there where, you know.
You start observe from them time there.
From them time they saw, it's like, you know, me never 100 the thing, you see me? Me just go and juggle and thing and they can. So then I go to her and I say, so I was riding today. And then she looked down to the left. In time when you ask somebody something and them look down to the left, or if them look
trouble there.
Right, or if them glance up to the right, them a work out something quick for tell you. Right? When people are tell the truth, as Judge Judy say, when people are tell the truth, it just come out, you know. But you see when them a think up something fast to tell you, them glance way. When people have try to work out something, them glance way and thing or whatever. But it's an unconscious thing where them not really know so them a do, you know. I think and then she did it or whatever. And I just tell her, say, you hear me right you know. Today my last day in an East evening, you know. It was today is my last day in
You
East.
never go back.
Never go back, but me just move out, man, because the other thing too was, you know, it was fear ends, you know, because when me did come up from Jamaica and thing, boom, bang, bang. And that was my East Haven story. I say, you know, so today my last day in a East Haven and thing and whatever. And she, without even me saying anything and she whatever, she knows say me know. Me know say she. And she just say, you know, kind of give it a look there. She don't even fight it too much or whatever. I don't know. Cause them time they told me not lie. Me did I misbehave to and I do my thing to some. That is my little East Haven thing when me learn. You understand? With the woman who me did David who have a horse named Buddy and a cat named Boomer, the other thing with her. She come from them background where she want the cat sleep in her bed with me. I mean, never depend on something that the cat the name Boomer. You understand?
No.
Yeah.
No dog and no cat. No dog and no cat in no house.
Right. And then we did come to a compromise for Boomer sleep at the bottom of the bed. But then when she make Boomer sleep at the bottom of the bed, it's like he catch all another two. When Boomer hear a snore, him always a screech, he come up like him want come cuddle with me. And them something there. So I start while him up and thing, and after a while Boomer get all attitude for me and thing and whatever and all. Me and I we are reason and Boomer we all just come down and bend up him face for me and all them look weird. And the cat me I talk about it. Yeah. Yes, I mean and Boomer start malice and thing and she never too like that. And then one last thing now. Our father invite me hunting. Now, you know, say, me not fight against one where them want to do, you know, because me not going to play a hypocrite, you know, because me see people that come up here and I cuss people, them through them are hunt deer. And at them name cow and fowl and goat take pig every day. As if them and the animal are dead too. You follow what me say? So me not going to play a hypocrite. So our father going to say, you know, it's a big deal, you know, because them not too inner certain people, you know. So she don't, you know, she tell me, say, you don't even understand how big this is. Hunting, you feed them thing, you know. Them not bring nobody go hunting. So our father and our uncle say, Kingsley, listen, we want you to come hunting with us. I mean, you know, I say, like, what? Like, you want me shoot deer? And I'm saying, yeah, that's what we do. We shoot deer. We teach you. I'm saying, no, I'm saying, we'll go still, you know, but, you know, so I don't want to kill the deer them because them look cute and thing, you know, and whatever. And me say our father give me a look, the man. Me I tell our father give me a look like the father said this big dirty workless. and then she come, you know, she come and raise me up. She said, you know what a big deal this is? My dad invited you hunting and you didn't go. I mean, I said, listen to me, I'm not going to shoot no deer. I don't want to shoot no deer. I'm not shooting no deer. I'm not shooting no deer. I don't mind game that. I think you're such a hypocrite. That's why you liberals. And then she got another liberal something because them are Republican, you know. And she got another liberal. I say, I don't care what you say. Me not shoot no deer, and you're not going to make me shoot no deer. And not because you give me a front, me not going to shoot no deer. Me's not a deer killer. Me like how the deer them look. He deer them cute. I'm not killing them. Leave me damn deer them alone. You're such a hypocrite. But you eat chicken and you eat me. Me say yes, but I don't kill them. I'm not killing any deer. Leave me alone. And from that, I be a malice analyst. Listen to me now, man. But we have to give thanks here. No. Anyway, my general, big up yourself over there in the East Evening. It goes some man. We're there every Friday night and things, and we're there Monday and Wednesday night too, you know, but it not really broadcast on IrieJam on Monday and Wednesday night, I just on the Bridge 99.
I want to tell us that I look through all of your YouTube thing them on the YouTube there every night. I there work at them, I listen to Raga.
Yeah, enjoy them. Yes, man.
As I come from school at daytime, I Raga me I listen to same way. As I gone I work at Raga same way. Right through. A whole heap of things I learn, man. So I
see it there.
The man them same way and the whole family same way for guidance and protection for the same way. Hear that?
See the man, people
no
he's referring to the Ragashanti TV channel over YouTube where I've been posting up my shows.
Yeah, exactly.
And people, I am now at 12 years ago. So you know, so a whole heap more over the years to come on and thing. So a whole heap of mix-up entertainment over there so for enjoy and learn all kind of things. And the general I say, you know, and that's why I'm listening. Big up, hey, you know, say some people who do who take care of people, you know, who live in and them something there and them people them a link me and the truckers them a link me and I say, dog, you don't even know what you do for we make it work pass. good, quick, when we are listening to Mix Up them from Ragashanti TV. So big up yourself, man.
Me ask the guidance and protection for you, man. Every time, man, and Father God go with you in every step you make, man.
Man.
Every step, man, every single step you make, man, and every breath you take, man.
See, and the same for you and your family here, sir.
Hear that,
Manners, man. Blessings, man.
All right, blessed love.
Yo, and people, no just run go over Ragashanti TV right now and subscribe to the channel over there so the thing there. Watch up with something with them. And do remember, say tomorrow night, it's all about the realest Jamaican talk show in the entire world. You understand with me? Ragashanti. It's a show named Free Up. And you don't know, so that tomorrow night, Saturday night, pan Ragashanti TV, pan YouTube, free. Just make sure say you go over there and subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button and think. Raga break, we soon forward. Maddie. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. In at the juggling and thing. What we say we about 10 minutes ago in the juggling and ting. Big up on yourself, and I just want to remind you one thing. Say I am here Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday nights from 9 until 11 Jamaica time, 9 until 11 Jamaica time, 9 until 11 Jamaica time on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica, the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica, the Bridge 99 FM. Of course, the Bridge 99 FM, the newest radio station in Jamaica with a slew of top flight personalities. We're talking about the likes of Richard Burgess, a.k.a. Richie B, alongside the most honorable former Prime Minister Bruce Golding. Ronnie Thwaites is also here. You heard it. Elise Kelly is here. I don't know, say Elise Kelly in the ratings and respect lock and seal, you know, you talk about proper veteran in the business who know the radio thing like that, you know. We are talking about the boss himself, my brother Rory Stone, love him over here. Nicky Z over here. And thing Jack Scorpio there. Who else I miss? You know, whole heap of people there. Kurt Riley, right? The party animal there. I saw the thing they see in the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica. People spread the word. If you're here in the United States and you have your relatives and your generation in Jamaica, call them down there and tell them for lock in on the new station down there, the Bridge 99 FM. The Bridge 99 FM. Tell them to seal up that station there. And this are the thing. The Monday night, Wednesday night, and Friday night, Ragashanti upon the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica from 9 o'clock until 11 o'clock in the night. Yeah, I saw the thing said. Of course, on Friday nights, the show is simulcast as it is right now on IrieJam Radio. Yes, upon Friday night, you can hear the same show we're down at Jamaica upon the Bridge 99 FM. Yeah, Richard Smith said the Bridge is an all-star station. In fact, I want somebody call right now. I want somebody in the United States call right now. And big up, it's not a big up show, but I want somebody in the United States call right now and big up your family in Jamaica because the show is live in Jamaica. You understand? And big up your family in Jamaica. I want somebody in the United States call right now and big up your generation in Jamaica. The number is 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. Right? All if you want to big up your ex. Yes, Navla. In fact, I want somebody calling right now. If you know, say your ex. If you know your ex still there, Jamaica, call in and talk about a bag of things. Yeah, for your ex. Yeah, yeah. President, that call ya. I want somebody call in and just give your ex a shout out at Jamaica. 888. Prezi. 88. Somebody there? Hello.
You.
Yeah, move her from the radio. Yeah, where you say?
Just big up Dwayne the Park still, you know.
Yeah, big up Dwayne the Park, no?
Yeah, man, and West Kingston, same, and love the vibes where I've been on the radio station still.
All right.
You want to big up everybody. From Rikers Island upstate, man. Then
Rikers, upstate. And yeah, the man them with the pan a look stretch of Rikers and thing, you big them up. But you big up Dwayne Park too. And you big up West Kingston. Which part of West Kingston?
You know, so to tell the truth, Belgium top 10.
Oh, okay. TG thing you talk about, no?
Man.
Tivoli Garden thing you talk about, them for no.
Yeah, man, and big up Dwayne Park, Shakespeare, Brook Valley.
Yeah, Brook Valley side. So you know big up Sherlock too?
Yeah, man, I said big up Sherlock, the Warlock.
All right, it got some, man.
Sherlock, you get it. All right, I'm big up on the side, man.
All right, bless up yourself. Here, sir. Yeah, man, respect.
Man, cool. Heart of love.
Yeah, man. We want somebody calling and big up your ex. We're still there, Jamaica. True a word for your ex. We're still there, Jamaica. Give me that call. Give me that call, President. Let me see. Hello.
Yo, Ragashanti, bless up.
Yeah, what you say?
Yeah, man, I just want to big up everyone up in the Kingston 11 Olympic Garden area.
Kingston 11 Olympic Garden. Yeah. And where?
Waterford, Portmore.
Waterford, Portmore, and thing. You have any ex down there where you want to send a word to?
No.
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 No, I'm not ex.
All right.
Bless up everybody, man. I'm bless up a thing down in a Brook Valley CMA in the other part.
Yeah, a thing.
Don't call her name.
Don't call her name.
Yeah.
All right. She didn't name Jody. No, I sure like that. Anyway, big up. Anyway, bless up here. Next call, President. Quick. Hello. Yes.
Raga?
Yes, greetings.
Hello, Raga.
Yeah, what's up?
Hello, Raga.
Yes, hello.
Hello?
Yes.
I'm calling you said to call in to big up the family in Jamaica.
Yeah. Big up your family.
To big up my mother.
Yeah, what's she there?
Big up my mother, Miss Gloria, Roundhill, St. Elizabeth, Judith and Lisa in Kingston and Spanish Town, and Nikolai.
All right, and who was sending them big up here? What you name? Let them know.
Tamita Brown from Georgia. From County, Georgia.
Tamika Brown, I call from Georgia, and you big up your mother.
No. Get it right. Tamita.
What?
Tamita, Raga. Tamita.
Oh, Tamita. Oh, you want T-A. What you know? Tamita. I big up her.
Listen, I want big up my auntie because she put me on for you.
Yeah, hold on. Your auntie put your hand for me?
Yeah, man, she put me on for you.
So I never know that. I need to work with my eye, though. Big up your auntie, yeah.
Big up Auntie P, you're set.
All right, it got some.
New York, you're set.
All right, now say a word, Tamita. Tamita. All right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right.
Love your vibes. Blessings,
yes,
man. Respect.
Bye-bye.
Cool.
Love.
You know, I really want somebody call and just dash word for your ex down at Jamaica, you know. Just dash look word for your ex at Jamaica. And then next time we can make somebody call in from Jamaica and dash respond them ex up your foreign and thing. Because you have to balance up your thing in a project because them done you. You know that's something that you can't make a thing one-sided. You understand? Well, we only have about 2-3 minutes left, so I could leave it there, so no? All right, people don't know, say. But them now go 888-546-8742. Anybody call a 1 minute you got have. 888-546-8742. People, let's make sure someone come lock in on the thing tomorrow again. Here, sir. Free up. Somebody say big up, a lady said, big up my ex. When him woman think him come a foreign and I stay with him sister, but him come for check me. First, you see that one there? She said, big up my ex. When him woman think him they come a foreign for stay with him sister, but him come for check me. Yeah. Mad something. Anyway, people, it's all about President, bring in that caller quick. 1 minute. President, bring it in. Quick, hello. You have 1 minute. Talk quick. Look how much caller come in now, President.
Yeah, Raga.
Yeah, quick.
Raga.
Quick.
Yeah, now big up my ex who deny in child like how Jesus denied Judas. Like how Judas denied Jesus.
Right. Oh, and him down in Jamaica.
Raga,
yeah.
I have one ex Yeah, I have one ex. I'm in there for about 2 years.
No, you have to call me about Monday night with it. You have to call me about Monday night.
Raga.
No, the time done. Me I tell you, say the
All
time
right.
done. The time done. President, look how much call are coming now. You see how them terrible? You see how them terrible, President? Look at the one of the call them are coming now. People, me have to leg up. No, I'm going to call tomorrow upon free up, right? I'm going to call tomorrow upon free up, right? Ragashanti TV, 8 o'clock tomorrow. Free up, the realest Jamaican talk show with me, Ragashanti, right? I'm going to just go over YouTube, put in Ragashanti TV, Ragashanti space TV. I want to find it. I will heap of something over as a phone and listen and watch and enjoy on yourself. Tomorrow, 8 o'clock, man!